Your 6940 phone is a touchscreen phone, which means a lot of the menu options and core controls will be available for you to touch on the screen. Your phone also has a Bluetooth wireless handset, which means you can walk up to 5 meters away from the base of your phone while on a call. On the side of the handset is a call answer or disconnect button. Below that is the volume up and down keys. And the button in between the volume is your mute on-off button. The Bluetooth handset charges when placed into the cradle. On the top right-hand side of your phone, you have a light which will flash when your phone is ringing or if you have unheard voicemail messages. This is the home screen, which has keys that are programmed with different features. The home screen will also guide you through menu options. Your home screen will show your phone name, your phone lines, and the date and time on your display. You may also see a recording, presence, Bluetooth, missed calls, and voicemail indicators in the top right-hand side of your display. The soft keys at the bottom of the display are dynamic and change depending on what function you are performing. When you are connected on a call, they will offer call controls. If you're in a menu, they will present menu options. On the left and right-hand side of the dial pad, we have our function keys. We will run through them now. This is the directory key. It allows you to search your Reach contact directory, which could be internal or external contacts. Here is the call log key. This shows your call history, including missed, incoming, and outbound calls. Underneath, you will see the voicemail key. This is used to access your personal voicemail. The settings key provides options to customize your phone. These are the volume control keys. They are used to alter the volume of the ringtone, headset, handset, and speakerphone. On the right-hand side, you will see the end call key. This will end an active call. You can also use this to exit a menu, and it will take you back to the main phone screen. This is the redial key. This opens to your outbound call logs. The hold key will place a connected call on hold. Pressing the mute key mutes any noise from your phone. You can hear the caller, but the caller will not hear you. The speaker headset key is used to toggle between the speaker and headset function on your phone. You can use the dial pad to enter numbers or letters into your phone.